calm but intense tone before you can control energy. You must first understand what energy truly is. In the esoteric traditions across the world, this invisible force goes by many names: prana, chi, ether, vital force. In Initiation into Hermetics, Franz Bardin refers to it as the very thread that weaves body, soul, and spirit together. Without mastering this force, he says, a person is like a leaf, blown aimlessly by the winds of the universe. This energy isn't just some abstract idea, it's life itself. You feel it as health in your body, emotion in your heart, and intention in your thoughts. Eliphas Levi, the famed occultist, called this the magnetic fluid, a subtle current that fills the cosmos and bends to the will. He compared it to a river. It naturally flows, but with practice, it can be channeled, redirected, and transformed. To understand energy is to recognize that it's not separate from you. It is you. Your thoughts mold it. Your breath moves it. Your feelings color it. So what's the first step to mastering it? Balance. According to Aleister Crowley in Magic Without Tears, energy mastery starts with aligning the three aspects of who you are. The body, fueled by food, air, and movement. The mind, a conductor of thought and intention. The spirit, the deepest well of your energetic power. Crowley said it best: magic is the art of transforming reality through disciplined will, and will is energy in its purest form. In Chinese philosophy, qi is known as the breath of life, an invisible current that moves through everything. Practices like qigong use breath and posture to feel, guide, and strengthen this energy. In Taoism, qi is born from the dance of yin and yang, opposing forces that form the heartbeat of the universe. It flows through meridians, energy channels connected to our organs, mind, and emotions. When these rivers are blocked, confusion, imbalance, disease. But when the flow is free, the body heals, the mind clarifies, and the soul awakens. Now, to begin controlling this force, we start not with rituals or chants, but with awareness. Foundational practice. Body scan. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down. Close your eyes, breathe deeply. Slowly shift your awareness from your feet to your head, noticing every sensation. As you focus on each area, imagine energy awakening and circulating. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day of this opens the door to deeper energy work. Levi once said, "Breath is how we absorb and move the magnetic fluid." In Qigong, it's the breath that leads the Qi. So we begin with the breath. Practice 2, abdominal breathing. Sit upright or lie flat. Place one hand on your stomach, one on your chest. Inhale through your nose, expanding the belly only. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the breath as energy, moving in and out. Do 10 cycles, twice a day. This practice activates your lower dantian, the body's energy reservoir beneath the navel. Now, let's feel that energy in motion. Practice 3, feeling vital energy in the hands. Sit comfortably, hands at chest level, palms facing each other. Take 3 deep breaths. On the next inhale, fill your lungs fully and hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly. Visualize your palms warming. Feel the tingling at your fingertips. With each breath, that warmth grows. Practice this for 5 minutes daily, and soon you'll be ready for the next phase. But energy isn't just about feeling, it's about emotion. Emotions are energy. They shape your field and color your reality. Joy, gratitude, love. They expand and harmonize your energy. Anger, fear, sadness, they contract it, creating stagnation and imbalance. In Qigong, each emotion is tied to an organ. Anger disrupts the liver. Fear weakens the kidneys. Sadness burdens the lungs. Unbalanced emotions are like storms, scattering the energy needed to manifest your intentions. To create, you must be emotionally centered, because energy always follows focus. According to Crowley, energy holds no morality. It obeys the emotional state and intention of the one who wields it. This leads us to two of the most powerful forces in energy control: intention and concentration. Intention is the seed, clear, focused desire from the heart. Concentration is the sunlight, mental energy that helps that seed grow. Without it, energy becomes scattered and weak. That's why every spiritual tradition values mental discipline. That's why every magician meditates. In yoga, the practice of dharana teaches one-pointed focus on breath, a sound, a chakra, because where your mind goes, your energy flows. Now let's combine breath, intention, and focus in one of the most powerful energy practices of all time, Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Sit comfortably, spine straight. With your right thumb, close the right nostril. Inhale deeply through the left. Now close the left nostril with your ring finger. Release the right nostril and exhale fully. Inhale through the right, close it, and exhale through the left. Repeat slowly, inhaling peace, exhaling tension. This balances the two energy currents in your body, masculine and feminine, sun and moon, logic and intuition. It brings calm, clarity, and inner stillness. Remember, real power doesn't come from just moving energy. It comes from a mind that knows where to direct it, and a heart that knows why. Thank you for watching.